Okay, since I'm not able to show you some of the previous Flex work that I've done, what I decided to do is show you the latest version of Flex with the latest Flash Builder 4 and also the latest Flash Media Server, how to set up a very simple webcam exchange between two users, and this would be, like for video conferencing or for a simple video chat. And then I've also decided to show you just some simple things that you can do with video in Flex, from frame grab from the video, and also I have set a panel here of just some basic filters just to show you how you can work with the video on the fly. Anyway, let's go ahead and check out how I did this. It's just a very simple, straightforward, dirty example, but let's just go ahead and get started, and I'll show you how I've done this here. First thing, what I've done is I'm passing a user parameter here to the actual Flex movie, so that I've got my laptop running in the next room, and it's broadcasting user number 2, and so this code I'll go ahead and be sending user number 1. And let me start by showing you I set up just a standard installation of the Flash 4 media server, the development version. And just a second here, I've got a VNC client here. I can show you. Yeah, it's just the default install at this point, and they have some sample applications that come with it. So right now I'm just using just the out-of-box live broadcasting application here to connect to with the video cameras. And if you want to, you can customize all these applications, or just ActionScript 3 that come with the server, but they provide a good set of examples for you to get started from. Anyway, so that's what's going on here right now. That server's up and running, and that's the live application that's running to receive these webcam streams. So the first thing we do here is basically just set up the camera, detect the camera. And let me also show you that really quick. There's not a webcam on the computer that I'm working on here. There is on my laptop, but what I've done to make it easier to show you this demonstration, I'm using a piece of software called CamTwist, and it allows you to use movies, Flickr stuff, slideshows, stuff from iTunes, or your webcam, and adds a whole bunch of special effects or whatever. But in this case, I'm just using it to load a movie clip in and have it loop, and it creates a virtual webcam driver. So as far as Flash is concerned, it's just the same as the microphone and the video from the webcam. So, but I just wanted to explain that. Because as you'll see here in a minute, I've just got some random videos of people from YouTube that are talking with headsets and just talking in their webcams and whatnot, just to show you, just to give you the idea. But basically, in this example, what I've done is, just quick and dirty. If there is a camera, then I'm establishing a new net connection, and once it connects to the Flash Media Server, all I'm doing is attaching that live feed from my camera to it, and it right away, as soon as the application launches, since I've already got the second user is already broadcasting on my laptop. He's already broadcasting his feed right now. So just for this example, I've got it set up with just the 2 users who can see each other. So anyway, that just by default starts right away once the connection is made. And the rest of the stuff down here and the code is just this is for the frame grab, just using bitmap data, pulling a frame at a time from the video. And then I just have some quick and dirty filters that all use either a convolution matrix or color matrix. convolution filter, a color matrix filter. Both of them are just modifying the pixel data, both kinds of filters. And so anyway, I've just set that. I'm using just generically here one slider event to apply the effects to all the individual sliders. So anyway, and the rest of this stuff down here is just the MXML, layout. Nothing really special here, like I showed you before. So let's just go ahead and fire this up so you can see what we're working with here. Now, see, there's the feed coming from my laptop right now. I have no idea who that guy is, but anyway, it's asking me for permission to use my webcam. So yes, oh, here's me. No, that's just the video clip I have playing, some random guy on YouTube. And I also have the sound muted from both of these, just so you can hear me explaining what's going on here. But the way I have it coded, the audio is also coming through for both of these, if needed. Anyway, so let me show you some of this here. Obviously, frame grab just grabs the whatever frame when you click the button. And then the filters, I just did, like I said, quick and dirty filters. Contrast, I did a blur or sharpening, which that looks kind of cool if you take the saturation all the way down and put the contrast up. It looks kind of like the music video style or cartoon style thing. That's kind of cool. But really just some very simple stuff. I wanted to show you how powerful the ActionScript 3 is working with the video. And these are the latest Flex components that are available. So anyway, I just wanted to give you an example of some things that I'm able to do. And obviously there are a lot of different ways to do broadcasting and remoting. And so, you know, there are even new with the Flash Media Server 4, you've even got peer-to-peer. So there's multicasting and HTTP streaming and peer-to-peer where you don't even have to go through the server. So there's lots of different ways to do the video on the back end. But I just kind of wanted to show you once again, just basically quick and dirty, you know, how to set up just a way for two users to share the video camera stream here. So you get the idea. Same principles would be used on a larger scale. But hopefully that gives you an idea. Really didn't use any external libraries or classes on this, except there was one just with some algorithms that made the calculating the hue and saturation values just a bit easier. But other than that, everything was just very straightforward. Not a whole lot here, but very powerful potential for working with video in Flex 4. So hope that gives you an idea. Let me know if you have any more questions.